Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public data entry account. First, you'll want to visit the official Public Data Portal website. Look for the Register or Create Account button, usually found in the top right corner or navigation menu. Before proceeding, take a moment to read the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. It's important to understand the guidelines for data submission. Once you've reviewed them, simply agree to the terms to move on to the next step. Next, you'll need to enter your personal details. Start by providing your full name and a valid email address, which will be used for verification and communication. Then, create a strong and unique password, ideally one that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter your chosen password to confirm it. Finally, you might be asked to answer a few security questions or complete a CAPTCHA to prove you are not a robot. After submitting your information, an email verification step is usually required. Head over to your email inbox and look for a message from the Public Data Portal. Inside, you'll find an activation link. Click it to confirm your email address and activate your new account. Some platforms may also prompt you to set up two-factor authentication for enhanced security. It's also a good idea to establish a recovery method, such as a phone number, in case you ever forget your password. With your account now active, you can return to the Public Data Portal's login page. Enter the username, which is often your email address, and the password you just created. Once logged in, you'll typically see a dashboard or a main menu. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface and locate the specific data entry forms you need. You are now ready to begin accurately submitting your public data, contributing valuable information to the platform.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.